This week I'm testing the Volvo XC40 PHEV. These are my top 3 family-friendly baby drive features. Number 1 is you can open the XC40 just with the key on your person from either the boot or from any of the doors. And you can also just press a button on the boot there to lock it when you walk away, or you can just press on one of the handles here and it will automatically lock. Number 2 is the ability to set a timer for the air conditioning to come on, so that it can come on before you do your school run, things like that, so that the car is nice and cooled, ready for your journey. Number 3 is the hybrid engine. It's really nice and quiet and it's smooth too. And I've done most of my school runs and shopping run driving this week just on battery alone. I've really enjoyed driving the XC40 hybrid this week with my family. See the full review, go to BabyDrive.com.au.